little cutie right here, Miss Sophia, my one and only daughter. And she wants to wear her curls free today, so I just finished shampooing her hair to get all of the nasty little debris that was around her rubber bands out. And I use our detox shampoo, and I also use our moisture repair shampoo. Yes, it's safe for children. I just had her lay back in the shampoo bowl so it wouldn't get in her eyes, but it is specifically manufactured so it can add moisture to those curls and that dry hair, and that's exactly what it did for her. You can see how shiny her hair already is, which she's showing you. Then I also did a conditioner treatment on her. I used our Moisture Whip conditioner so that she can get extra moisture in these curls and they can be popping. So now I'm about to do the 1-2 punch on my baby. The 1-2 punch, only thing I need is our Infusion 365 and our Flex. This is our new curling custard. It's in a cream formation for those girls or curly women who need that extra moisture in their hair. This is it right here. So I'm gonna go through and take big sections and spray the Infusion 365 all the way around. It's gonna give me moisture in the hair, and it's also gonna be her leave-in conditioner and our detangler. It helps her not have tears. So here we go. And going through and spraying liberally on the hair. The finger part is not even giving her any ouchies. This product is helping me with that detangle.
Doesn't hurt.
Why doesn't it hurt?
From the 365.
Okay, so it's flex time. All right, I'm gonna take a bigger section in the back. Just use a big jaw clip to clip off the top just for control, have it out of my way. I'm going to take a little bit, put it in my hands, maybe about a dime size, start emulsifying it there, and then I'm literally just going to finger it through. And you can see those ringlets already starting to form. As I put it on, you're gonna see it looking a little bit white, but when it dries, it's gonna be clear. You're not gonna see any product on the hair. This is also good for finger coiling. Let me show you how to finger coil. Take the product, put it on the hair, and you literally would just coil the hair around in your fingers. And you're making new ringlets with your hands. And I'm coming through the whole section first. Sophia's doing so good, and this 365 is helping so she doesn't have the ouchies. And then I'm just doing a loose finger coil on her because I want to pull it right out after it's dry. A little bit more product every time I'm going in. Y'all see it looks like it's kind of white, but as soon as it dries, that's gonna be gone. This is a very moisturizing product. It's not a gel, so it's not gonna flake up on your hair, which is real important to my curly girls, especially if you wanna wear your finger coils for a couple of days. Y'all see them curls popping.